Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time and I'm really excited to be back. I'm gonna be doing a little quarantine makeup routine. I haven't really been doing my makeup much, but when I do my makeup, this is exactly what I've been doing. I'm gonna be on here a lot more now. I have lots of free time now that I'm home. So give me some requests. I want to post some covers. I'm gonna post some more makeup tutorials because I've been learning how to do makeup a lot better. And yeah, I'm excited to be back. Check out my other socials and let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to use a little clip and clip my hair back so I don't get any makeup in it, because that is the worst. So I'm gonna just clip her back. Oops. And I already put on my moisturizer and this is what I've been using. It's been really good for my skin. I have super dry skin, and lots of moisturizers end up flaking off when I put them on before makeup, so this one has been my go-to. It is amazing. Okay, and because I need the extra hydration, I've been using this Rose Petals Rose Water Spray, and I'll just spritz it all over. And then after that, I take you can use any skin oil, but I've been using this Pixie Jasmine oil blend, and it's amazing. So I'm just gonna drip some of this on my face and let it all settle in a little bit before I put my foundation on. First, I start with my foundation, and I've been using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow in shade 205, which is a little dark on me, so don't judge until I put my concealer on. But yeah, I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender. This thing's filthy, I need a new one. So after my foundation, I go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I love this stuff. It's so affordable. And I use it in shade Light Sand. There's been a lot of TikTok videos about putting your concealer in the corner and then on the ends of your eye for a little bit of a lift. And I've been loving it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So after my concealer, I go in with this Fit Me foundation stick in shade Toffee 330, and I just go around here and on my forehead and on the sides of my nose, and I blend it out with this Pretty Vulgar Flawless wand. After I contour with that stick, I go in with my Hourglass Veil, I think it's, yeah, Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna set under my eyes. I'm not gonna really bake or anything. Just gonna set them lightly because I've been trying to stay away from powder, because I feel like it makes me look a little crusty and like patchy. So I'll just apply a bit under my eyes and like around my mouth and nose area so that doesn't crust up throughout the day. I'll go on my eyelids and set them a bit too. We don't want any wrinkles. Set my forehead a little bit too, just some areas, and then I'll just like dab the rest of it around so that my face is still a bit set, but still looks glowy. Oops, spilled it on my bed. So now I will take this big fluffy Hourglass brush and just kind of wipe away any extra. And then I go in with my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm gonna bronze with these shimmery shades. I've been liking them a lot more than matte bronzer because I like the shimmery look. I like being glowy rather than matte. So I'll just kind of go to town on my face with this. go on my forehead, and oops, lighting change. And yeah, just all over. Then if I'm feeling blush, which I've been into it a lot recently, I'll take this Il Makiage Touch Me Mineral Baked Bronzer. It's more of a pinky tone, so I don't really use it as bronzer, I use it as a blush. And I'll take the smaller side of this Hourglass dual brush thing and just tap it on my cheeks. Go on my forehead a little, down here. I love blush. I used to be so against it on my face, but now I don't know what I've been doing for all this time. Now I just curl my eyelashes to get them ready for mascara. Curling your eyelashes is a life changer. Like, do you see that? And that's with no mascara on. Now I'm gonna take my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Lady Bird. This one's really pretty. I use it for the corner of my eyes. So I'm just gonna take my finger and get a little bit, throw it in the corners. I think it looks really nice and it brightens your eyes and your face up if you put just a little bit of highlight in the corners. Now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution palette again, and I'm gonna use this first and second shade and mix them and do my highlight. And normally I just do it with my finger because I feel like it looks the brightest and it comes off the best when I use my finger. So I'm just gonna place it and blend it out. I love highlight. People tell me I wear too much, but I don't think you could ever wear too much highlighter. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes again and apply mascara. I'm gonna do it off camera because you guys know how to apply mascara. I'm gonna use my Hourglass mascara, the Hourglass Unlocked in Ultra Black. Last step, other than lip gloss, is I take this Morphe palette, and it is the Boss Mood palette. And I take one of these, or usually I mix both of them, these two shades, and I just create a little natural brown wing. So I'll show you guys how I do it.
Then I'll just like messily smudge on my palette. What's that called?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna be on here a lot more. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.